Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make a list on Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a list in Salesforce typically refers to making a list view for records or generating a report. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the app launcher beside setup, the one that has colored circles going around. I want you to click on it. For example, you can click on sales leaders, and a lot more, but I'm gonna click on the sales for now. You have to remember that a list view allows you to see a filtered list of records for any Salesforce object, like accounts, contacts, opportunities, leads, calendar, forecast, and a lot more. Now we're going to look for the opportunities or maybe accounts for now. Here, for you to be able to create a list, you see this option right here on the gear icon. You can have a list view or create a list view. Click on this one right here. Now you have two options to who you want to see this view right here. Is it going to be you if you're experimenting on data and you don't want this to be public? You can select the first option, all right? But if you want all users to see this list view that you are working with, you might want to click on this and click on save, all right? Because users can create customized list views to suit their individual or team needs, ensuring they see the most relevant information. Not only that, you can also go to the report. You see, you can also personalize your list view settings here, all right? You can select fields to display such as last modified date, report last run date, and a lot more. You can also do that to opportunities. You have an option to the gear icon settings wherein you can put in another list name here. All right. This time we're going to be the one who's going to view this list. All right. And of course, click on save. Now, creating lists in Salesforce is essential for optimizing data management, improving collaboration, and driving effective decision. And by leveraging list views and reports, users can enhance their overall productivity and, of course, contribute to organizational success. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.